So Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, they might all actually have the same court case very soon here, as it is now possible that a lot of different lawsuits that are claiming these separate incidents, that these separate games and these game companies are causing addiction in kids and, well, just people in general. You might have seen a lot of these random cases come up in the recent months, but yeah, it could get all consolidated into just one court case. It might not just be like 10 court cases for each of these companies that are allegedly hooking these kids onto the addictive nature of video games. So this all just came out today on aboutlawsuits.com. So they say lawsuits over Fortnite, Roblox, and Minecraft gaming addiction to be evaluated at JPML hearing. The complaints identify Fortnite, Roblox, and Minecraft as gateway games designed to lead children into mentally damaging addictive behaviors for the sake of profits. Yeah, I feel like there's some truth to that, but it's I don't know, it's maybe not so much. You could say that about the games from like 40 years ago, I feel like. I don't know. So this is all going to go down on December 4th. This is about a month and a week or two from now. This is going to determine whether all of these federal gateway video game addiction lawsuits involving these separate games should be consolidated before one judge for pretrial proceedings. So it would be very interesting if that is the case, because I would imagine that they would still have like a lawyer representing each company. So I don't know, would the defense have like 10 lawyers at the table? The attorney would just be like this one dude's attorney. I don't know. And it details why these complaints are made in the first place. As I said, the whole allegation is that these game companies don't really care about kids. They're just trying to create the best formula possible to hook them for the longest periods of time, regardless of any mental damages that might cause. Again, I do find some truth to this. I just don't know if it's to the extent of needing a lawsuit. I don't know. Now, it does say the manufacturers also face some accusations that their games illegally track children's online activity and use the data to build algorithms that pressure them with targeted ads and in-game purchases. Yeah, and that's, I'd say, even a bit more of a legitimate thing here. I definitely think that, if true, is pretty big. I mean, it's not good to target children for anything, let alone algorithms that could potentially put their mental health at risk, all just to, make more money, obviously. So yes, it is all going down on December 4th, about a little over a month from now. Now, just to go back here, kind of see where this all started. It looks like this all started about a year ago with one lawsuit. This was from a Georgia teen who filed a video game addiction lawsuit against developers of Fortnite, Call of Duty, Minecraft, and other popular games. This teen was alleging that he suffered brain damage, behavioral problems, and mental health issues due to intentionally addictive game designs. That's going to be really tough proving that the games are at fault there, and it's not just the fault of him or his parents. But okay. I did not Photoshop this, by the way. This is the actual first page of the lawsuit, where it says John Smith plaintiff versus Derek Smith defendant, something like that. So this is Michael Antonetti plaintiff versus all right, I gotta get ready for this one. So whole list: Activision Blizzard, Infinity Ward, Treyarch Corporation, Take-Two Interactive, Rockstar Games UK, Rockstar Games North, DMA Design Limited, okay, I'll be honest, I've never heard of them, Blizzard Entertainment, Epic Games Incorporated, Epic Games International Holdings, LLC, Ubisoft Entertainment, Ubisoft Divertissements, whatever that is, Ubisoft Montreal, Mojang Studios, Microsoft Corporation, Nintendo of America Incorporated, and John Doe, and unknown individual entity or corporation. I mean, I get the whole stack of companies, but who is John Doe? Who are you throwing in there? Who's this one person? Is this just one person that's controlling it all? Is this the elusive man from Mass Effect? So yeah, very big stuff, very big allegations. We will see if all of this gets consolidated into literally just one case with one judge. That is going to be decided in about a month.